Hi, this is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and today we have a house tour of a pre-owned 5-bedroom house in Brookside Hills subdivision, Cainta, Rizal. So more details will be listed on the screen. So before we start our video, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para ma-notify pa kayo for more real estate videos. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Let's start by looking at the exterior of the property. Mapapansin din natin dito yung ating color palettes are orange or peach, yellow, white, and black. So ang ating design is actually sa loob is more on European yung itsura. So dito sa right side, we have your 2-car parking or 2-car garage. And then sa right side then makikita natin may access tayo going to the maid's quarters and the dirty kitchen. And then here, we have your main door na solid wood talaga siya. Lalo na kung kinatok mo and mamikat talaga siya. We also have your easement or setback dito sa left side and yung ating pedestrian gate dito. Kita rin natin dito, meron tayong papaya tree. So meron na tayong mga fruit-bearing trees na included in this property. So, tignan natin. So, the first thing that we will see upon entering the home is yung ating foyer. So, this area you can disinfect. Kunwari meron tayong mga deliveries, pwede na natin lagay dito or pwede natin iwan yung mga shoes natin pagkapasok natin sa property. And you can also notice yung ating mga lighting fixture na very classy and elegant. So, dito, we have 2 doors sa left and right. Sa left is a senior's room. And dito sa right side is a bathroom. So for this bathroom, we have complete water fixtures plus floor-to-ceiling tiles and yung ating shower area na pwede natin i-enclose using these curtains. So meron na ring bidet, water closet. Yan, bidet. Very important sa akin yung bidet. So in front of it, we have your senior's room. It's a spacious room. So, yung nakikita natin bed dito is queen-size bed. So, kahit may queen-size bed na tayo, you still have lots of spaces that you can use. Pwede tayong maglagay ng mga side table, extra side tables, or even couches dun sa dulo. Meron na rin tayong window-type aircon, plus yung meron na tayong window dito, plus window pa dito sa left side. And meron na rin tayong floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinets na table na din. So, tignan naman natin yung ating living area. So, this is our living area sa left side. And what's nice about this one is double height na siya. And makikita natin yung ating very elegant chandelier na lighting fixture. So, maganda yung ikot ng hangin natin dito dahil double height na siya. And then to the right side, may nakita tayo ditong sliding door. So this is going to be an entertainment area or family area na pwede natin gawin like this one. Pwede tayong maglagay ng malaking TV and ating mga stereo system for your family to spend time. Mag-movie night or something, manood tayo ng mga series. Yan. And meron ng window type aircon included doon. Okay, so and grande din yung ating staircase, di ba? Para siyang paliko yung ating staircase. So another view of our living area. So dito naman, beside our living area is going to be your dining area. You can also notice yung ating arc na very inviting going to the dining area. Pwede tayong maglagay ng circular table dito like this one na kasya naman dito 8 persons. And we have sliding doors then going to the easements of the property. What's also nice about the dining area is sa tapat natin yung kitchen. This one. And meron na tayong parang window dito para mas mabilis tayong maglagay ng food going to the dining area. So for our kitchen, we have lots of counter spaces. And we have lots of shelves and drawers to put your things. So simulan natin dito. And for this one, pwede tayo maglagay ng mga plates natin, mga baso. And tulad dito, pwede tayo maglagay ng ating microwave and oven and toaster. And for our countertops, they are made out of granite. So makikita natin may drawers, tapos meron pa tayong floating shelves dito. And this one then. And then yung ating mga countertops, we have lots of it. And another view of our kitchen. And very homey, very inviting, especially if you really like to cook. Tapos pwede kayong maglagay ng food lang dito. Like nabanggit ko kanina, lagay lang kayo na naluto nyo dito, tapos dadalhin na lang dun sa dining area. So we have, again, lots of under-counter cabinets and mga overhead cabinets. And then dito, we have your dirty kitchen sa labas ng door na to. Pero may mga ginagawa lang doon, so hindi pa masyado natin mapapakita. And if you want to view the property, our contact details will be listed in the description. Beside our dining area, meron din tayong space dito. This is going to be your service area. Pwede tayong mag-hang ng clothes dito. So may mga clothes line tayo dyan. Again, if you really want to see the property, mas maganda kasi if you view the property in person para mas ma-appreciate natin. So we're going now to the second floor and see the bedrooms. So before we go upstairs, another view of our ground floor. And ito yung makikita natin going to the second floor. Upon landing sa ating second floor, we have an open space that you can use for another living area. So pwede tayong maglagay ng TV dito and couches like this one. So we can spend time with your family in this area. And we have 2 bedrooms at the left side plus the master bedroom at the right side. Okay, for the bedrooms, tignan natin. Okay, so for the first bedroom sa ating second floor, hindi kasama yung ating bed frame na to. Pero it's a spacious bedroom. Yung ating floorings are made of vinyl. Plus yung ating mga windows and yung ating floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinets. Sa ating ceiling naman, may pagka-drop ceiling with pin lights. And marami na rin tayong sockets sa ating mga walls. So if I can estimate, yung ating space is nasa around 12 square meters. And what I also like about the house is yung mga pintuan natin for the bedrooms, for the bathrooms. Solid door talaga siya, mabigat siyang kahoy. So hindi siya tinipid. So this is the bathroom na communal for the 2 bedrooms. So ang design niya is more on may pagka-European. So we have your window dun sa dulo for ventilation. Tapos we have your telephone shower and yung ating complete water fixtures of sink, water closet, and yung ating mirror. And then let's look at the other bedroom, nakatabi nito. Yan. So for this one, we have another spacious bedroom na may built-in cabinets na rin. So this property is well-maintained. Ang mga owners kasi is living abroad na, kaya they're selling it. Pero inalagaan talaga yung property. So we have your pin lights sa ating ceiling, plus meron na rin siyang kornisa. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets for your things. Tapos meron na tayong table dito in the middle if you want to work or study, kung estudyante man tayo. And sa ating mga built-in cabinets, may mga drawers na rin nakasama. So for this property, may mga repainting tayong gagawin, pero hindi naman sobrang dami. So another view of our living area dito sa ating second floor. Dito naman sa left side, underneath our staircase, meron tayong storage. So na-maximize yung ating staircase. And then dito sa left side, so this used to be a prayer area, pero if hindi naman tayo religious, you can convert this. Dito naman sa left side, na sa door na nakabukas na, is the terrace. So what's nice about the terrace is maluwag talaga siya. Ating floorings are made of ceramic tiles. Plus meron na tayong mga lighting fixture na may pagka-retro yung itsura. So if you want a space for your house na pwede kayo parang inuman with your friends or parang bonding time with your family outside of your home, you can do this in this terrace. Very spacious terrace. Next, we're going to see the master bedroom. Okay, for the master bedroom, again, it's very spacious. Nakita naman natin dito, this one is actually a king-size bed. Pero maluwag na maluwag pa yung spaces sa ating master bedroom. We have windows sa corners ng ating master bedroom, again, for natural light and air circulation, kung gusto natin buksan. And we have a walk-in closet right here na sobrang dami nating malalagay na gamit. Meron na rin tayong open closet dito sa corner and yung ating mga closet mismo. If you want to hang clothes, tapos may mga drawer pa, and you also have spaces on top of the drawer of the closets. Kaya madami rin talaga tayong malalagay. And in this area, pwede tayo make up or something dyan. So for the master bathroom, and I really like this one, we have blocks dito na imbes na clear, may pagka-design siya, may kulay siya, and yung ating design, may pagka-European yung feel niya. So makita natin yung mga lighting fixture natin. It's really nice. And then yung ating countertops are made of granite. Plus we have under-counter cabinets. Plus yung ating bathtub. Tapos on top, in front of our bathtub, may mga floating shelves ka ba dito. So if you want to put your bathroom essentials, pwede nating lagay dyan para hindi ka na lumayo. Plus meron na rin tayong hawakan doon para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Or pwede natin lagay yung towel natin dyan. Pwede natin gawin towel rack. And then yung ating water closet right here. And yung ating window na maganda yung pagkapasok ng sunlight dito. Maliwanag yung ating master bathroom. So dito naman, I really like this one, yung ating enclosed shower. Nakikita natin yung pagka-design niya and yun yung ating blocks dito. So meron na tayong telephone shower dito. So we're actually done with the second floor. Tingnan natin yung third floor or yung ating attic. Pero yung yung door natin leading to our walk-in closet, it's a sliding door, kaya nag-save tayo ng space. So another view of our master bedroom. Again, this is a pre-owned house located in Brookside Hills Subdivision in Cainta, Rizal, na flood-free area. Mataas actually yung kalye, plus mataas pa yung bahay, kaya hindi ka talaga babahain dito. So if you're looking for a property in Cainta, specifically in Brookside, na maganda kasi location ng Brookside, kasi hindi ka nalalayo kung gusto mo maghanap ng property in Rizal like Antipolo, dadaan ka pa ng Taytay, dadaan ka pa ng Angono. Kaya if you're working in central business districts like kunwari Ortigas, maganda yung location ng Brookside. So tingnan natin yung ating attic or third floor. For the attic, you have an open layout, so you can put a lot of things. So nakita natin dito, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga recreational center like mga ping pong tables o kaya pwede nyo gawing gym. Dito at the right side, you have 2 bedrooms and a communal bathroom in the middle. So tignan natin yung mga bedrooms. So we can put here mga double bed kasya naman dito. And we have shelves to put your things. Plus yung ating mga sliding windows na may grills na rin for natural light and air circulation. And then let's see the bathroom in the middle. I actually like the tiles of this bathroom. It's very lively. Yan, so floor to ceiling tiles na yung ating bathroom. And yung ating water fixtures and sink na meron na ring cabinet dito underneath it. Tapos meron na tayong telephone shower there. Actually, malaki talaga or spacious talaga yung ating bathroom for this one, especially if you see it in person. And then beside it, the other bedroom na opposite or baliktad na layout with the previous bedroom na nakita natin. And then tingnan naman natin again yung ating open layout na attic. What's also nice about this attic is we also have storages sa gilid. Yan. So we can really put a lot of things in this place. And then here is na parang balcony, enclosed balcony. Pwede kayo maglagay ng tables and chairs. Maybe you can use this parang smoking area. And then we have more storages here dito sa wall. Para siyang tago na storages. Wala mo naman dyan. Wala naman sa muna. Pero another view of our attic. It's a spacious attic. We have lots of windows for sunlight. Plus, pwede nyo rin buksan yung windows for air circulation. Ito yung second parang enclosed balcony natin. And for the floorings, we have 40 by 40 ceramic tiles. Yan. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng entertainment area. Pwede nyo gawing family area, gym. Like this one, meron sila mga treadmill. Pwede rin kayong maglagay ng malaking TV dito if you want to have movie nights with your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified for more real estate videos. Again, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and we hope to see you in our next real estate video.